Hey YouTube, how are ya? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama. Today is Sunday again, but I don't think this video will be uploaded probably till maybe Tuesday or something. But anyways, guys, I have actually a 99-cent haul mixed with, I believe I'm gonna do my Dollar Tree haul in this one. Just depends how much I talk and how much we get through. So anyways, please like and subscribe below. I absolutely love, I get so excited just to see one new subscriber, and I absolutely love the comments. Like, I literally read, well, not every one of them, I do read them, but I mean, there's like one or two, but I love seeing the comments and like the positivity and everything. I mean, I love watching other people's channels. I love doing this myself. I mean, it's awesome, guys. So anyways, let's get started with the 99-cent haul. All right, guys. Okay, so I probably shouldn't have got these. I didn't need them, but these were 25 cents each, guys. They are 50% off because they are going to, they go bad at the end of the week. Again, I know you guys have heard me say I have 3 boys and a husband. These will not make it till the end of the week, guys. So these were at the 99-cent store, but they're usually 2 for 99 cents. So guys, I got all 4 of these for $1. So, I mean, I couldn't pass it up. They are the Hostess, I think. Let me make sure I'm not lying to you. Actually, I think, yeah. So anyways, I'm sorry, they're not the Hostess. They are, there's a tag over every one of them. It's like the Dolly ones, I believe. Dolly Madison. But guys, a chocolate donut's a chocolate donut. I mean, I'm going to be honest. So, and there is 6 in each one, just like the normal ones. So anyways, I got 4 for $1. You cannot beat that. Those are all for my boys. These guys, my absolute favorite. I love the creme donuts. I have not yet had the carrot cake donuts, but carrot cake is my favorite. Anyways, so I got me one of these for 50 cents just because. Let me get through the rest of my 99-cent haul because I have to put some stuff in the fridge. So I love, sorry guys, I thought I had it all right here, but I guess not. Guys, I love these salad kits. This one is, and they're all from the Fresh Express. These guys are like $3.99 in a regular store. They are $1.99 at the 99-cent store, guys. They're so good. This one's my absolute favorite. The sweet kale. Everything is in here. Like, you literally have to add nothing. This one already has the craisins. Sometimes I add craisins. I do usually put some chopped hard-boiled eggs, sometimes some cucumbers, and then some croutons in this sometimes. But guys, the dressing and everything in here. And this one is the poppy seed dressing. I love this. It is so good. So anyways, there's 3 servings per container and it's 140 calories per serving. But this is so good. I don't even put any chicken or anything in it. My husband, though, he got the Caesar one this time and he usually puts chicken and stuff in it, but I don't need anything. So anyways, this is the Caesar chopped kit by the Fresh Express. I didn't tell you guys. Let's see. This one, excuse me, I'm sorry, is 10.9 ounces. And this one is 9.4 ounces. But anyways, this is the Caesar's kit, guys. And this one comes with the romaine lettuce, the Parmesan dressing, grated cheese. This one actually comes with croutons and cracked pepper. So right here, everything's in it. Everything. So I'm not a big fan of Caesar, but I mean, my husband loves it. But just in general, guys, $1.99 is an amazing deal. This is another one that I like. Again, the sweet kale is by far my favorite. So this one is the Southwest kit, and it's the chopped kits, guys. You have to get the chopped. This one has the green and red cabbage, green leaf lettuce, carrots, and green onions. And it has a Greek yogurt jalapeno ranch dressing. Let me tell you guys, I cannot stand anything spicy, so that it's not spicy. So if you're afraid of trying spicy stuff, it's not. It has Mexican blend cheeses, yellow and blue tortilla strips. So there is the picture of everything in this one. Let me get it off. There you go. Guys, they are so good. This one is 11.5 ounces. But it has like the strips. Everything is in it. You literally need nothing for $1.99. I love them. It's my favorite. Guys, I got some orange chicken again. The last time I went, I got the orange chicken and the teriyaki chicken. I thought they were both good. My husband was not a fan of the teriyaki chicken, so we did not get it again. So the orange chicken, like I said, I thought they were both good. There's a lot in here, let me tell you. sometimes my older two aren't here for dinner, but my 15-year-old, my husband and me are always here. There's so many leftovers in this. Like, it's a lot. It says it's 32 ounces. It's $2.99, guys. It's good. And then last time though with the orange chicken, I like lo mein. My youngest son likes white rice and my husband likes fried rice. The only problem when I make this is that I have to make all three. So I make the lo mein with ramen noodles because, you know, I'm kind of lazy when it comes to that. And like I said, I make my husband the fried rice and then my son the white rice. So, but anyways, guys, and there's always leftovers. It's good. And I don't know why my husband didn't like the teriyaki, but it was good. All right, so here's my bag. And because mine did not come with croutons, we picked these up. I know the Dollar Tree had, I'm mad that I did not get it last time. It had the Texas Toast croutons for $1. I'm so mad I didn't get it. But these are the Kitchen Fixins. I've never had this brand. This is from the 99-cent store because the Dollar Tree did not have their croutons. So this is a garlic and cheese crouton. They also had, I think it was an Italian herb, but I like garlic. So this is 5 ounces and it says made from fresh oven baked bread and seasoned with premium spices. And it is good until April 10th of 2021. Yeah, I haven't tried it yet, so I'll let you guys know. Guys, this is what I'm so excited about, okay? So this was on an end cap. Let me show you this right here. This was on an end cap. And so I was like, what is that? And it's the Italiano, I don't know, chocolatey covered marshmallow sandwich cookies. Banana chocolatey 12 pieces. That right there to me does not look like it has chocolate. So I'm guessing that's why it was on the 99-cent shelf. But it looks exactly like a moon pie, right? And there's 12 pieces in here. So you guys know, I already opened it and tried one on the way home. It is exactly like a banana moon pie, you guys. I mean, it was amazing. It was 99 cents for this whole thing, you guys. First of all, it's good till 11 of 2021. They're not going to make it through the week. I'm kind of mad I got them because then my husband was like, well, I don't like them. And I know my kids don't like them. And I know I will eat every one of these. I even debated, should I act like I didn't try one and try it on the air just so I could eat another one and not feel guilty? I'm going back and getting more though. You guys, oh my gosh. If you like banana moon pies, these are amazing. And let me just kind of show you though. So this is the container. It's like that. And then it actually had a really good seal because I had a hard time getting it open. And then I'll just take one out and I'll eat it after I get off. So this is what it looks like, guys. And look, it's just like a banana moon pie. So let me, I don't want to get it on my bed. Okay, guys, the marshmallow in the middle and the like candy or cookie, whatever on the outside, guys, that is a banana moon pie. I mean, and 12 of them for $1. Amazing. Now, not so amazing when you look at the back of the calories, but just don't do that because a banana moon pie, 12, amazing. Okay, guys, let me get going on a little bit of the food from the Dollar Tree, and then I'll stop this video and start it again. I believe there's going to be either 3 total for today or 4. I might do my empties video because I really, really want to do that. I hate watching YouTube videos and then you see all the stuff they got, but then you're like, I wonder if it was really worth $1. And then you have to wait like 6 months later or something for someone to show you like whether it was good or not. So I really want to go through some of my stuff that we've already tried or we've already emptied before I started doing YouTube, just to kind of let you guys know, because there is some stuff I wouldn't pay $1 for, okay? Anyways, let's keep going real quick. Duncan Hines. Again, everyone has been hauling these. I get these every single time I go there because, first of all, it's name brand. It's the Chewy Fudge Brownie Mix. Guys, I do it right here, the fudgy brownies with just the 2 eggs. Yeah. Oh my gosh, these are the best brownies you've ever had. You have to try it. Like I said, you have to try the fudgy brownies in the 9x13 pan. They are literally the best brownies. My husband loves them. My kids love them. They're better than homemade, and maybe I just don't know how to bake. But there is 18.3 ounces in here. Try it with the 2 eggs. Amazing. I got 2 of these. I already opened one because I needed something to wash down my moon pie. So these are the sparkling ice, and they are the cherry limeade. I saw someone haul these, and I got some, and then I tried the first one. And I was like, it's not really good. It's growing on me, guys. I'm kind of liking them now. So anyways, and they have 5 calories, and they do have, it's 0 sugar, but you know, it has like the fake sugar in it. And each one of them are 17 ounces. And I drink a lot of water during the day. I usually don't drink anything else. So this will kind of split it up a little bit. So I got 2 of those. I should have gotten more, but I felt like I was already kind of really high on my expense list, so I didn't get any more. So this is going to be the last thing on this. No, I might be able to make it through. No, I think this is going to be, I'll do this and one more thing, and then we'll have to switch. I just needed more Dawn. I only use Dawn because not only is it good for dishes, but my mom showed me this is better than like Shout and stuff to get stuff out of your clothes. I mean, you guys see them, they use this on the ducks and stuff that get oil and grease on them. Guys, use this on your shirts in your laundry. It works amazing. If you put this on there as a not a pre-rinse, but like a pre-setting thing, and then put it in the washer, everything will pretty much come out. You have to try it. So use the Dawn, guys. My mom taught me that. And this is 12.6 fluid ounces. And we were almost out of laundry soap, or I'm sorry, laundry, that's how much I use it. Dish soap, but again, I only use the Dawn because I can use it on my dishes and I can use it in my laundry. And with that many boys, guys, I need it. Anyways, so I got these 2 things, the Sure Sense. I think I got these a long time ago when I was little. I was looking for more of the like plug-in things, but my Dollar Tree only had the plug-in things. It didn't have like the oil that clips into the bottom, and I really just needed something for right now until I could get to the store again, because again, I do have 4 dogs and I'm not a big fan of the smell of that, and my husband doesn't really like the candles burning too much because I'll light like 10 at once and then he thinks the house is gonna burn down, or that then it gets too hot and he has to fix the air conditioner. Anyways, so these are the Sure Sense Hawaiian air freshener solid gel bonus 2 packs. Nothing special. Like I said, I haven't gotten them in a while. Honestly, I don't even know. I think I was 18 when I got them last, but oh well, they'll work hopefully. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna start another one, and I don't know, like I said, when this is coming out, but whenever it does, I hope everyone is having an amazing week. And again, I cannot thank the 14 subscribers enough. Like, I am ecstatic about it. So I hope everyone is having a great week. Bye.